Hello, Hollywood. We are going to show you today how to drop off your child in the mornings. Drop-off begins at 7:40 a.m. They must be dropped off no later than 8:05 a.m. If you drop your child off any later than 8:05, you must walk them to the front door. So, we do have a few tips of how you approach Hollywood Elementary. If you are coming from the Old Eccles Road side, if traffic is backed up, you need to stop at this tree right here until it frees up and you can pull into Lonnie's Lane clearly. If Lonnie's Lane is blocked, please stop at the tree until you can turn into Lonnie's Lane. If you are coming from the Old Mill Road side, please allow those coming from the Old Eccles side to turn in first so they can clear up the traffic. So once you come around, you will enter the back of the parking lot and there will be two lanes, one here and one on this side. If you are in this lane, you are to stop before the crosswalk. If you are in this lane, you are to stop at the end of the crosswalk. Be sure that your child is in the passenger side so they do not have to cross in front of your car. They must be seated on the passenger side. The staff on duty will come to the car, to the child that is on the passenger side, and they will let your child out. Your child will exit the car and walk into the school. At that time, you may exit the parking lot. Be sure that if you are in this first lane, the staff on duty waves you ahead to keep moving so that we do not have any injuries. We want to keep your child as safe as possible, but also have a smooth yet efficient system. So, that is how you drop off your child. We'll see you soon. Hello, everyone. We're going to review how to pick up your child from Hollywood Elementary School. First of all, we start dismissal at 2:45. There is no reason to be here before 2:15 or 2:30. Once the gate opens at 2:40, you will come in the gate, follow around, and we'll show you that in just a moment. You will be receiving a parent pickup number. You will only receive a number if you pick up your child daily. You are to hang this number in your rearview mirror. When you come around, the staff will radio in, tell the number, and your child will come out to your car. So, from 2:45 to 3 o'clock, we will call last names A through L. From 3 o'clock to 3:15, we will do M through Z. So make sure you arrive at the correct time and have your number visible in the window. So, when you get here and the gate opens, you will come through the back gate at the back of the school. You will drive around and your child will come to you. You are to stop where the sign says pickup location. Your child will then come out and will be placed in your car. Now, here is the important part. Do not get out of your car. Never get out of your car. The staff, if your child needs help getting in the car, the staff on duty will load the car. If your child needs placed in a car seat, now is not the time to do this. You will go out, you will park in a parking space to the side to buckle your child in their car seat. Please do not get out of your car. And if you have to go to a car seat, go down, park in a space until they are safely buckled. And then you may exit the lot and have a great day.